Hey, what's up, champions? Gediminas here. I hope you guys are doing fantastically well. Welcome to Financial Freedom TV. And today I wanted to talk about how to make yourself do the action. And for that, you will need what is called a forcing system. Now, for me, it works really well because I have to admit to you guys, I'm a lazy guy, right? So if I have a chance of not doing something, I will take that chance. If I can avoid doing the work, I will definitely use that opportunity, right? So because I know myself like that, I have to use these forcing systems to make sure that I do the actions, to make sure that I take the necessary activity, right? And one of the easiest ways to do that, to force yourself to do it, is to publicly announce or to commit to somebody who you respect. Because when you say publicly that, hey guys, this is what I'm going to do every day now, or this is what I'm going to do once a week now, or this is the level I'm going to reach or whatever. When you publicly announce, now your reputation is on the line. Right? Now you have to do it because otherwise, hey, you're lying. You're not doing what you said you do, right? So this worked for me fabulously in my life, right? Like about more than 2 years ago, I decided, for example, to do a video. Every single day I decided to do a Facebook Live, right? And now I do 1, 2, 3 videos every single day, right? But about 870 something days ago, I decided that, you know what, I'm going to do a video every day. But I knew myself. I knew that if I have a chance of not doing it, I probably won't do it, right? So that's why, first of all, I went to my mentor and I said, hey, look, I decided to do a video every single day. So from now on, I'm going to do a Facebook Live every single day, right? Then when I went live on my first live, I said, hey guys, welcome along. Just wanted to let you know that I'm going to be doing a video every single day from now on, right? So now it's my reputation on the line, right? Now I have to do it because otherwise I haven't told the truth, right? And it works in all sorts of different ways, right? So you might commit, for example, not on a live, but to your mentor or to somebody who you respect that, hey, look, I'm going to be doing this. I will do this. I will do that, right? So when you say to somebody else, it forces you then to follow through and do that thing because now you've committed. Because if you only say to yourself, hey, who's the easiest person to let down? Yourself, right? Because you've been doing it all the time, right? You can always find an agreement with yourself. I'll do it from tomorrow. I'll do it from next week. Well, maybe from next month, right? But when you say to somebody else, when you commit to somebody else, and even better, not just you commit to them, but you commit to them to be accountable, right? So then at the end of every day, you, for example, send them your report, your activity, right? This way, you're now accountable, you're now committed, and you know if there's a day, 2, 3 days gone by, and you haven't sent your report, that person knows you're not working, right? So now it forces you to do the action and to be accountable to that person, right? These two things can really, really help you get going, do the action, and get better results in your business. So that's the tip for today, my friends. Hope you got value. If you did, feel free to share it. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you at the top. Bye for now.